The main function of the chain is to transfer the horsepower of the engine to the wheel. Chain have many different small parts. There are many links. Altogether can do a strong transfer of the power from the engine to the wheel. This is the front sprocket on the engine. This is the rear sprocket on the wheel. And the link is the chain. We change the tooth, so the gearbox, and so we change also the length of the chain. Cleaning the chain is very important because in the truck there are some dirty, so I clean often and I lubricate often. Lubrifying the chain is very important because it permits to save the chain for a long time. I use a chain clean before to clean well the chain, and then I lubricate with chain lube.